Your Lorex DVR showing a hard drive error, not recording footage, or displaying a No HDD message?
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
In this video, I'll show you how to replace a hard drive in your Lorex DVR quickly and safely. First, power off your Lorex DVR completely and unplug the power adapter. For safety, disconnect all cables connected to the DVR. Lorex recommends removing power before opening the recorder. Using a screwdriver, remove the screws from the DVR cover and carefully open the unit. Depending on your model, the screws may be on the back, sides, or bottom panel. Locate the hard drive inside the DVR. You'll see two connections attached to it, a SATA data cable and a power cable. Carefully disconnect both cables. Then, remove the mounting screws and take out the old hard drive. Install the new surveillance-grade SATA hard drive. Secure it with the mounting screws, then reconnect the SATA data cable and power cable firmly. Surveillance drives are recommended for 24/7 recording systems. Close the DVR cover, reinstall all screws, and reconnect the cables. Power on the DVR and wait for it to boot up. After startup, go to the DVR menu and format the new hard drive. This step is important because the DVR may not record until the drive is formatted. Formatting will erase all data on the drive. That's it. Your Lorex DVR is now ready to record with the new hard drive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more CCTV tutorials on Technical Thinker. Thanks for watching.